show you the project that I asked you about. Dulcimer.
Yeah.
This is one I bought that I could use to show me how. This is the one to be fixed. Hold that if you would. Let me get the other one out.
I'm going to sit it over here on the table.
Okay. That one needs string. This is the two that I've got. Okay. This is one cut out. But I don't know how I came by that, but I felt like it was worth keeping.
Yeah.
And this one, I bought it from a lady. I saw it on Facebook. It needs to be cleaned up,
Yeah.
whatever. But I bought it so that I would know how the thing goes. But I don't know anything about the frets and strings.
Well, you probably don't need to because you know that's the. I mean, other than you tune the strings, but I mean, once you put the neck back on this, you've got your bridge right
Let me
here.
get the brush here. One brush is off. One lay it here. Here. Get it so clean it up.
This is also the simplest instrument to play. In fact, it doesn't require you to have really any talent at all. Because they're, I think I might have mentioned that they're diatonically tuned. If I have a tuner. Banjo tuner. Hey Siri, find me a banjo tuner. Online banjo tuner. There you go. How easy that is? Well, the internet just makes things so easy these days. Okay. Maybe not. Needed to hear it and tell me what it is. I know it's going to be DAD. And basically on Dulcimer, I'm going to find a little thick. Something like a little thick.
That looks like some good scraps.
So anyway, on these instruments, this is called diatonic tuning, which basically means that there's no wrong notes. So anywhere you fret this, that's all to them. You hear it?
Yeah.
Now, I may not have this in DAD. I just tuned it something sounding kind of right.
More than I know about.
But if you can get a little electronic tuner, and it'll tell you, or probably you go on your computer. I think I was close, but
Just to make it sound like.
just to get that DAD. And once you get DAD, like this string and this string, all these strings will play together. You can play it one string at a time, or you can, you know, fret it. But no matter how you master it, it's going to sound good. And it's really easy to play. People usually put a little strap around so it won't fall on your lap, and they just sit. My wife will sit like this, and she'll go, and I'll play the banjo with my music.
Oh, okay.
And it's super easy. That's a 3-string. This is a 4-string. The only difference is this has a double first string, so you get a little bit more. Those both tune exactly the same.
Okay.
Pretty sure I have it tuned right. Super simple. That one just needs to be glued back together, and then strings put on and have tunes. So you've got these 3 pegs, so that's where your strings go, and you got these 3 tuners, which I think you've got them in head, and you just tune them. And if you just put it all that together and glue it together and clean it up,